So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can run a Linux terminal directly in any browser for practice. Now for example, let's say this is the browser. Here you need to search for a website that is try hack me. Once you search it, open this first website that appear right in front of you. You need to sign in over there. It's totally free. It will not ask you to pay anything for this feature. Now search for Linux fundamentals right there, and here you'll see the part 1. Click over there, and under this task 4 section or task 3 section, you will see this option of restart machine. Click over there, and here you'll see the option of starting your machine have been appeared. Now you'll notice that the process has been started. Let me quickly make it full screen. Now the terminal for Linux have been started to opening in front of you. Now you can practice anything whatever you want right here only. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.